Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give myself a makeover, a selfie makeover. It's basically like a digital makeover because I just kind of do it on Facetune. You know, with Facetune, like anything is possible. Like you can literally recreate your look into looking like somebody else. I think it's gonna be fun. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So okay, let me just start the screen recording real quick. Okay, so in Facetune, I'm actually using this selfie right here. So this is taken, I think, yesterday. So yeah, my hair is slightly different, but it's the same person, and it's not something that is like taken years ago kind of thing. You know, like I mean, you know, some people they're like using selfie of themselves from years ago. Like I honestly, that's just catfish. Okay, so anyway, let's just zoom right in so that I can see much clearer. And this is non-retouched, definitely not edited, not retouched photo. This is absolutely original. I wonder why my hair doesn't look as good as in this photo. So anyway, okay, I'm actually kind of confused. I guess first one, I'm gonna try retouch. All right, so okay, whiten. I mean, I do have like yellow teeth, so I guess yes. Well, I don't see any difference. So anyway, okay, smooth. So oh, okay, yeah, like look at that, my skin is like so smooth, like there's no texture at all. So this is the kind of thing that I kind of wanted to mention to our people, is that actually a lot of times skin do have texture, you know, like most people do have texture on their skin. I know that there are some people who like they're just born lucky that they just, you know, they have very healthy skin and they just don't have any texture. But actually texture is something normal. It's also something healthy. It's not something that you should kind of like completely get rid of. It's not something that you kind of have to be not proud of. I do feel that sometimes in some influencer we can't really see their texture on their skin. It seems like their skin is absolutely flawless, but actually you know, they're human too, and they have texture as well. So it's just not something that you kind of have to really target it. I mean, of course, if you feel like there's like very uneven texture and you feel like you wanted to get rid of it, like it's fine. But even if you get rid of that, your skin still has texture. Your skin still has texture, which is the skin texture basically. And so, like, you know, pores and all that, that's completely normal. So if you do have texture on your skin and then you feel like you see a lot of influencers, they don't have texture on their skin, don't feel let down. Texture is definitely normal. So yeah, and of course, don't spend so much money to make the texture disappear. It's not gonna disappear because most influencers can just use Facetune and get rid of it, like the one that I'm doing right now, you know. So okay, let's just turn myself into like, I don't know, like an influencer kind of photo, I guess, like super flawless and all that. So yeah, let's just get rid of all the texture. There you go. So it looks so unnatural. It looks like I'm wearing a powder. It does look good, but it's like not realistic, if that makes sense. So yeah, I mean, I kind of just always see my skin as it is. So like in my video, I never put any filter, obviously. So yeah, it's just kind of uncanny to see like the pores are totally disappear. So smooth, done. And then details. I don't know what's detail for. I guess like for the eyes. Okay, yeah, I see it. So now like my eye makeup looks more like vibrant. Like it looks much more visible. And let's do my eyebrow. Okay, now I have like a lot bolder eyebrow, but I do feel like this details kind of setting, it kind of can also lie to people in a way that, for example, let's say you are selling eyeshadow, and even though on camera it actually doesn't look pigmented at all, so you can kind of make it look pigmented with this Facetune, so that when people see it, they're like, oh my god, that eyeshadow is so pigmented, and then they go and buy it, but actually it's not really. I mean, just saying, I'm not saying that people do that. I don't know if people do that actually. I hope they don't. Okay, and then the next filter is glow, so I guess it's like highlight, so let's just put it on my cheek. It's weird. It's kind of like just having this white streak. It's I don't know, I don't really like it. Let's just undo that and put a little bit here and as well, and I guess on my nose. And of course this filter also works on like when people are trying to sell highlighter, I guess. So maybe the highlighter is not really that blinding or whatever, and they just use this to make it like glowing, like extra glow, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyway, conceal. So what do I need to conceal? I guess I don't know, I don't really see that much of an like under eye kind of thing, so I guess it's fine. And actually also, to be honest, like under eye is also, I feel like it's normal in a lot of adults, because you know, it's not something that you should like completely get rid of, because it's normal for our skin to actually get a little bit thinner over the years. So don't worry about it. Don't really feel like, oh my god, it's because it's because of my mistakes and all that. Well, actually, even though you didn't do anything, external factors really can make our skin get thinner, and therefore making our dark circle like appear darker, you know. And so it's really not something that you should completely get rid of, and your skin is not meant to look like you don't have any dark circle, you know, like the look when you have concealer under your eyes. That's just not something natural. You should not spend so much on skincare to make your skin look like you have concealer under your eyes all the time. I actually never use any like an under eye kind of thingy. I don't know, I just feel like my under eye is not that big, like it's not that severe. Vibrance, I guess let's just put some on my cheek. Oh, it really looks like I just put all over my face. Okay, let's undo that. It really feels like my face is like black and white, and then this vibrance is making it like the real color, because honestly this photo is original. It's not retouched or edited in any way. So my camera does kind of like, honestly I do feel like that's kind of what's not so good about Apple, is that it doesn't work so well when the light is not enough. What I mean by that is that, you know, in other phones like the Android phones, I do see a lot of people who have Android phones, like they kind of just when it's dark, they can just take pictures very well. Like even though they have like pretty old models, but for Apple iPhone, just only like their newer phone have a very good capturing in a very low light kind of place. So yeah, that's just my complaint about Apple. It doesn't capture light that well when the light is low, but when the light is good, the photo gets very good. So I do like to take pictures with iPhone when it's outdoor during the broad daylight. When it's nighttime, like forget about it. Okay, let's save that. And then the next one is face. So this is literally what I'm talking about, that people can make their face to be someone else's face with the Facetune. So I mean Facetune is also available on video now, so what I'm trying to say is that don't be too consumed with what you see. So it's like, I mean, I know it's easy for some people to be like, oh my god, that skin looks so good, the product she's endorsing must be really nice, but actually you shouldn't really trust a photo or a picture 100%. Like even my video, it's not to be trusted 100% as well, because like I said, iPhone is not very good in taking photos or videos in a low light. I don't know, I'm just saying that you shouldn't really put 100% of your trust in photo or video. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, that's pretty deep. Okay, face. I don't know what to do with my face. I mean, like I kind of get it that I don't look like influencers. I mean, I'm not an influencer, so of course I don't look like an influencer, but it's just that I don't really know what to change it. Like I know it doesn't, like I know there's something lacking, but I don't know which area that is lacking. But so let's just try it out. Jaw. Okay, I don't know, I feel like my normal jaw is fine. This one looks smaller, but it's like, do I need to be smaller? Okay, let's just make it smaller because I guess small jaw is nice. I don't know actually what's nice. Okay, smile. That's so that's so creepy. Okay, okay, smirk. It's why is there this kind of filter here? I mean, do people, like, let's say they don't feel like smiling, so they're like frowning, and then they go to Facetune and make it smile. Like, is that the function? I don't know. Anyway, width. I guess I don't know if my face is too wide or too small. Honestly, I really don't know. I'm so clueless. Whoa, it's like someone just pinched my cheek. Ugh. That's so weird. I mean, I think most of the time people like to have like a thin face, but the filter just doesn't seem to work very well when I put it on maximum, so I guess I just make it a little bit thinner. Let's just press OK. So reshape. Okay, like I don't know. Okay, no, I do mind if I look like that. No, thank you. So, but it does look cute. So ribbon is kind of like, I guess it's not for face, so it's more like, I don't know, I guess if you are taking pictures of your body, then you want to make it slimmer, all that, then you do that. And so that's the thing about like slim body, is that a lot of things that you see on Instagram, maybe they're true, but most of the time they're not really, because it's like this kind of Facetune just make it so easy for them to just, you know, squeeze that waist a little bit, make it smaller a little bit. But again, all I'm trying to say is that it's normal for your body to not be super curvy like hourglass clock. So like honestly, it's really fine for you not to have that curve. I mean, I guess some people, honestly, in real life, I rarely see someone who have that curve, unless of course if I know that they do a plastic surgery to, like, I heard that some people remove like their rib or something to make it like super duper curvy like that, but honestly in real life I never seen it. Like I only saw it in like a video or news. Wow, honestly this looks nice. Yeah, like when I was small, I literally thought that people back in the 50s are living black and white, like there's like the sun is radiating black and white color so that any object is like black and white. So I was stupid. So I was like wondering, like, how come we have color now? Among the things that I believe in when I was small, I also believe that you know how sometimes like we have chocolate milk, sometimes we have strawberry milk, and we have like the regular milk. So I thought the regular milk comes from the cow that looks like it, like that has like those black and white pattern on their body, and then I thought chocolate milk comes from brown colored cow, and I thought that there is somewhere out there a pink colored cow that makes strawberry milk. So I was stupid anyway. Wow, I guess you literally can see the window of my room. There you go. Those two lights are the window in my room. Green colored eye. See, this is the reason why, like last time when I was, I think in high school, when I was like teenager, I sometimes would wear contact lenses, because honestly, like, if you guys see the photo when I was like a teenager, you're gonna faint, you're gonna puke, you know, you're gonna puke until there's no more body fluid in your body. That's so bad. That's just how bad it is, because I would be so fake. I'd be like literally altering my eye color, I'll alter my hair color. I just don't know what I was doing back in teenager. But oh my god, I just had a flashback. Honestly, okay, I don't know if I could find the photo, but back when I was like a teenager, like I said, I would alter my my look. I would alter any of my physical look, and I would look so pretentious, and this is the kind of look that I would have back when I was like a teenager. Alright, so I think we are done here. You guys can definitely see the before and after. That's my makeover. I look so different. I look so absolutely different, but I guess I succeeded in making myself look kind of like an influencer. Yeah, I guess you guys can also comment down below which version of me is better, which is the real me or the Facetune me. Thank you for taking a look at my digital selfie makeover. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is entertaining for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.